India is rising and things are changing fast. But with such rapid urbanization and construction, there's also many risks to mankind and the environment. And to deal with these issues, we need innovative, cost-effective and technically superior solutions. That's the genesis of CCRT materials. CCRT – Cement, Concrete, Refractory, Testing and Training. The company was established in the year 2009 under the able leadership of the young and dynamic Sanjay Koyande. He had a unique vision to provide efficient and exemplary service to housing and infrastructure developers around the world.
CCRT Materials is basically a research-driven company, and we have our directors, technical directors rather. They work for various industries like ACC, cement, ACC research, and they spent almost more than 25-30 years in this. And basis of that, we could able to deliver a research-oriented product which catering to present environment conditions. You see the roads which are having potholes. So life is so difficult to travel on a road. So CCRT Materials came out with the product called POTMIX, which will take care of all the roads pothole free. We are strive to give the smooth roads to the city where we live, where we have onus of our responsibility.
Each year, more than 3,000 people die in India because of potholes. And over 10,000 Indians die each year because of bad roads. With vehicular traffic increasing each day, road safety has become a key issue in India's top cities. CCRT offers a life-saving solution which goes by the name POTMIX. Now, when ordinary concrete takes 1 month to dry and fill up all those dangerous potholes, POTMIX takes just 1 hour to do the same job. Unlike bitumen-based solutions, POTMIX is durable and concrete-based. By using POTMIX, not only can authorities save time, but they can also save precious lives. First, the potholes are cleaned. Then they are filled with aggregates. After that, a slurry of POTMIX is poured into the pothole. And within an hour, the road is as good as new. CCRT, your partner for a safe and quality life. In India, CCRT has offices in Maharashtra and Gujarat. The company also has offices abroad. If you'd like to request a demo or schedule a meeting with our team, feel free to reach us at ccrtmaterials@gmail.com, info@ccrtmaterials.com, or you can visit our website at www.ccrtmaterials.com.